There's no access to the back of this dent, so I've got to repair it from the outside only. Keep watching to find out how it's done. This crease dent is about 12 inches long. Now it's on the rear side panel of my customer's VW Transporter, but this model is a camper van, so there's zero access to the inside. To repair this damage, I'm going to be using glue pulling techniques. You'll see me go through a number of different tabs with both a slide hammer and a lifter. And of course, as always, there's going to be plenty of knocking down. Using a crease tab and a lifter, I'm going to get to work lifting some of this damage. I've laid out that crease tab right in the centre line of my dent on that lowest point, and a few squeezes of the trigger, I begin to bring that metal up. After bringing the metal up, it's a combination between tapping down some of the highs, reducing some of that tension, some of the crowns in the metal, before reapplying my tabs for my next pull. I'm starting from right to left, reducing the damage as I go. Continuing using my crease tabs and the lifter, and from this angle you can really see the power I'm getting with each one of those pulls. Hey, don't forget it takes just a few seconds to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just a few seconds. As my glue tab and lifter bring the metal up, my knockdown and hammer, I can tap it back down. It's a back and forth process to get the metal back into its shape where it should be. If you enjoy my videos, I guarantee you will love my training. I've put together the ultimate foundation course teaching everything you need to get started in the PDR industry, and you can now access that course by clicking the link in the top right of your screen right now. A crease tab and lifter really helped me to direct my pulling power onto the centre line itself, but with a slide hammer and a round tab I'm able to shock the panel and really start to work the low damage on the left and the right of my crease and bring it back out again with my slide hammer. To start training with me today, click the square in the bottom left of your screen right now and I'll see you on the inside.